Ladies and gentlemen, as we start our descent, please make sure your seat backs and tray tables are in their full upright position. Make sure your seat belt is securely fastened and all carry-on luggage is stowed underneath the seat in front of you or in the overhead bins. Thank you.
Landing checklist. Cabin crew. Advised. Auto thrust. Speed. Auto brake. Low. ECAM memo. Landing. No glue. Landing checklist complete.
Okay, welcome guys. Don't forget to like and share ya. Rizal, Pramana. Selamat gabung guys.
Continue.
Oke teman-teman, kita tonton highlight dulu ya, iklan sambil menunggu pesawat kita ready ya. Ya, selamat gabung buat Izal, ada Azael, Arifin. Oh, ke Bali. Rute kita aku udah set ya. Kita dari Singapura menuju ke Pekanbaru guys. Tapi setelah iklan ini ya guys ya.
Roger, maintain 180 knots. Emirates 777, you are not clear to land. Turn right heading 140 degrees. Right heading 140, 1507.
Skip Hall Tower, Emirates 777, 600 feet to land.
Emirates 777,
GG.
Skip Hall Tower. Altimeter 29
Halo Pomdia, selamat gabung. Thank you Azel sudah di-share. Thank you for sharing di stream guys.
Emirates 777, 123, 8 at 16. Clear to land, runway 24. 41, landing 27, left, you got 25 miles. Roger. Number 59 Golf, stand heading 300 degrees to establish 27 left.
Ascending 300 degrees, establish localized 27 left, speed of 59 Golf.
Number 735, contact the tower, 18 decimal sign today.
185, speed of 735, bye-bye.
Emirates 777, did you hear my last transmission? Scandinavia 1507, turn right heading 190 degrees.
Right heading 190, rest of 150.
Number 59 Golf, and establish December line.
We're established December glide path for that, 27 left, speed of 59 Golf.
Emirates 777 ATC, services terminated. Good day.
Oke. Ya, 2 menit lagi kita mulai guys ya. Kita mulai dari Bandara Changi International Airport, Singapura. Singapura to Jakarta ya. Whiskey Sierra to Whiskey Jilet. Pakai Citylink kita.
Please put away larger electronic devices, including laptop computers.
Flight attendants, please prepare for landing.
For smaller handheld devices in your hand or seat pocket. Devices must remain in airplane mode until after we land. We will be landing soon.
Landing checklist. Cabin crew. Advised. Auto thrust. Speed. Auto brake. Low.
ECAM memo.
Landing. No glue.
Landing checklist complete.
Ini kita lagi persiapin baik-baik biar gak nge-crash ya guys ya. Soalnya sensi banget nih simulasi ya, rawan nge-crash.
Ladies and gentlemen, once again from the flight deck, this is the captain speaking. We're going to begin our initial descent here momentarily. At this time, we're going to turn the seatbelt sign back on, so please return your seats and keep your seatbelts securely fastened until the aircraft is come to a stop at the gate and the seatbelt sign has been turned off. It's been our pleasure having you on board for today's flight, and we hope to see you back on a future flight again real soon. Flight attendants, please prepare the cabin for arrival.
Password, thank you sudah share.
4208 with 243 at 43. Clear to land runway 22 right.
Clear to land runway 22 right, FedEx 4208.
Woi Dava, terima kasih. Gica, terima kasih juga sudah share. Mantap. Selamat bergabung guys. Salam sehat telur selalu. Amin. Amin. Thank you Aulia ya. Oke teman-teman, kita siap-siap ya. Pas ini landing langsung terbang dari Singapura menuju Indonesia ya. Dari Changi menuju ke Bandara Pekanbaru. Upai, thank you Upai. Ini banyak udah bantu bagikan nih yang udah share, thank you.
Continue.
Halo Bruto. Mantap pemandangannya ya. Masih mau lihat juga pemandangannya bagus. Udah aku buka ini. Hai Bangladesh, halo rakit. Jadi ini di New York guys.
For your comfort and safety, please remain seated and keep your seatbelt fastened until the captain turns off the seatbelt
Daka, halo.
sign. Please leave all
Ian, halo, halo.
carry-on stowed and keep the aisles clear until the seatbelt sign has been turned off. Before leaving, please be sure you have all your belongings. Be careful when opening the overhead bins.
Oke guys, kembali lagi bersama Kapten Bros, bersama kepala kita Jontor ya. Kita akan terbang dari Bandara Singapura menuju ke Indonesia ya, ke Bandara Pekanbaru teman. Akan ditempuh 15 menit saja teman. Menggunakan pesawat Airbus 320. Ini dia airport Changi ya, Changi International Airport guys. Oh bagus banget ya airportnya nih. Beautiful airport ya. Penumpang auto tobat bang. Ada yang baru landing sana ya guys ya. Mantap sekali. Pesawat apa itu? Oh, sorry, baru take off. Waduh, mantap ya. Ini perjalanan cuma dekat aja guys. Kita pakai Citylink ya. Garuda. Ini dia. Garuda lagi. Citylink maksudnya. Tadi ada yang nanya pakai Garuda. Tapi ntar aja abis ini kita pakai Garuda ya. Oke, langsung aja kita persiapan guys, prepare ya. Nyalain aja engine-nya. Biar nggak terlalu banyak bacot lagi teman-teman. Cantik bandaranya, cantik sekali ini. Udah di-update soal bandara guys ya. Oke, happy start. Agak patah-patah nih guys, berat sekali soalnya ini. Bandaranya besar banget ya kapasitasnya. Udah mirip kayak aslinya di Singapura ya.